Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to brighten up any shadows that might be covering your face on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then select a picture from your gallery that you want to edit and tap on it. Click on the retouch button down below, which is the second option, and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find this fix shadow button. So tap on it, and after that you should zoom in and select the relevant parts where you see that there is a shadow, and then use this scale down below to adjust this filter. So that's how you can fix the shadows. And if you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.